The next category is your states that that arrive, which is like people get sick, okay, or they get surprised, okay. Similarly, something it's beginning or it's ending, right? They can also be converted into verb using the hona, okay. To fall sick, it's bimar hona. To feel troubled is pareshan hona. To be astonished is हैरान होना. To get ready is तैयार होना. To be over to or something is finishing, it's खत्म होना or खत्म होना. Or something is to begin, it's शुरू होना. Okay? Same thing, you can conjugate them into different tenses.